In this video, I will show you how to change default search engine in Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome browser on your PC. Now click on three dots located at the top right side to enter main menu. Now from the available options, click on settings. Now on the left panel, click on search engine. On the right side, under search engine, you will find change button. Just click on it. And here you will find various search engines like Google, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo and Yandex. So you can select the one as per your needs and then click on set as default. And the selected search engine will be set as default in the Chrome browser. So that is how you can change default search engine in Chrome browser. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.